If all you have is 5 minutes in the morning, here's a simple but effective full body stretch that you can do to help wake you up gently. We're going to start standing up. Get your feet hip-width distance apart, and you can extend your arms up overhead. Grab a hold of your right wrist with your left hand and reach over into a side body stretch. So I'm letting my right hip push out to the side. Breathing in and out through your nose. Coming all the way back up, switch sides. So grab a hold of your left wrist, stretch up tall, and maintain this length. As you crescent over, push out into your left hip. Lifting all the way back up. I'll just turn so you can see what I'm doing here. We're going to do like a standing camel pose. You can bring your hands towards your lower back, lift up through your chest, squeeze your shoulder blades behind you, and find a little back bend here. Opening through your heart, squeeze your elbows towards one another. And coming all the way back up, you can bend your knees generously as you fold all the way down, relaxing your belly over your thighs in your ragdoll fold. You can keep your arms dangling to the mat or maybe hold onto your elbows as you sway side to side. Try to fully let your head be heavy so your neck can relax. Just letting gravity decompress along your spine. Big breath in here. Release your hands down towards the floor. Bend your knees even more and slowly roll all the way up to stand. You can use your hands pushing into the legs to help yourself come up. Head and shoulders are the last to make their way up. And then we're going to open our legs out wide. So as if you were taking this wide squat, my heels are in, my toes are pointing out. I'm going to circle my arms wide as I inhale. Hands come together, exhale, bend the knees, sink your hips down low. So really working on this deep, wide squat. A few more times. Inhale, straighten the legs, circle your arms, exhale, bring it in and down. 3 more. Keep squeezing your knees open. Shoulders stay over your hips. Last one. Go ahead and straighten your legs. Turn your feet so they're parallel to the shorter edges of your mat. We'll come into a wide-legged forward fold. Lift and lengthen up through your spine and then hinge from your hips as you fold and come down. You can do any arm variation that feels good to you here. You can absolutely keep a little bit of a bend in your knees if having them straight feels a little too much. And again, with these forward folds, we're trying to relax and decompress through our neck and through the spine while getting a nice big stretch through the back of our legs. If you'd like to intensify this a little more, you're going to bend your right knee and sink your hips lower, really stretching along the inside of our left leg. Press to straighten the right leg and switch over to the other side. Bend into your left knee. Coming all the way back up and through to center. We're going to find our downward facing dog from here, so you can walk your hands towards the front of the mat and step the feet back. Hands are shoulder width distance apart, feet are hip width distance apart. And go ahead and alternate bending one knee and then switching to the other. Lifting your seat up towards the sky, pressing your chest back towards your thighs. Child's pose, balasana. Your knees can be as wide as you would like them to be as you press your hips back towards your heels. Taking our last few breaths here together. Even with these super short morning classes, I would encourage you to choose a one-word intention for your day. So what is one word that captures how you want to feel today? And we'll slowly come up to take a seat any way that works for you. Hands at the heart. I'll just turn so I'm facing towards you. And we'll close by chanting Om one time. Inhale to chant. Breathe in. Thank you so much, everyone, for doing this super short morning yoga practice with me. I hope it helped you stretch everything out and that you feel ready to tackle your day. Let me know what your one-word intention is, and I'll post a playlist that has like hundreds of other morning yoga classes that I've produced in the past, so you can check those out. Have a wonderful day.